In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Printify as a complete beginner step by step. Now, if you've been thinking about starting your own print-on-demand business but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. We'll start by creating your Printify account, exploring the dashboard, and designing our first custom product using the built-in product editor. Then we'll connect an online store, publish our product, and learn how to manage products, orders, and other essential business tools. After that, we'll explore features like Wallet, Insights, Store Settings, Branding, Sellers Club, and Printify Premium to help you run your store more efficiently. We'll also customize our account settings, discover helpful resources, and learn how to make the most of Printify's beginner-friendly features. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the official website of Printify and click on the Get Started for Free button. This will take you to the registration page. Here, you can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or by entering your email address. In this tutorial, I will choose the Google option. After selecting your Google account, Printify will take you to the onboarding page. Here, you will be asked a few questions about your business, experience, and how you plan to use Printify. Simply answer these questions according to your preferences. Once you have completed the onboarding process, Printify will automatically take you to the Printify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your print-on-demand business. On the left side, you'll find all of the important sections, including Dashboard, Notifications, Catalog, My Products, and many more options. In the center of the dashboard, Printify also gives you a quick setup guide. You'll notice 3 recommended steps. Go ahead and click on Create Product. This will open the Printify catalog, where you'll find thousands of products that you can customize and sell. At the top, you'll notice different categories such as fast sellers, home and living, clothing and apparel, drinkware and kitchen, and many more. These categories make it much easier to find the type of product you want to sell. For this tutorial, we'll create a custom t-shirt because it's one of the most popular products on Printify. Simply click on Clothing and Apparel, and then choose a t-shirt that you like. Now you'll enter the Printify Product Designer. This is where you'll customize your product before publishing it to your online store. Here, you will see a preview of your t-shirt. If you want to view a different version of the product, simply open the Variants menu. From there, you can choose different variants such as the size, color, or other available options according to your preference. On the left side, you'll notice several useful tools. The first option is Upload. Click on Upload if you already have a logo, artwork, or any image that you'd like to print on your product. Simply browse your computer, select your design, and Printify will upload it into your library. You can then resize it according to your style. On the right side, you will see the Settings panel for your uploaded logo. From here, you can adjust different settings, such as its position, size, and other customization options. You can also create a pattern by turning on the Create Pattern option. This will repeat your design across the product to create a patterned look. If you don't already have a design, Printify also offers an AI option. Click AI from left side bar. You can use AI-generated graphics to create unique artwork directly inside the editor. This is helpful if you're just getting started and don't have design software. Simply enter a prompt describing the type of image you want to generate. After that, the AI will create an image based on your description. Once the image is generated, it will be added to your t-shirt design. From there, you can resize it, reposition it, or adjust its placement anywhere on the t-shirt until you're satisfied with the final design. Below the AI option, you'll find Add Text. Click on it if you'd like to add a quote, slogan, brand name, or any other text to your product. Type your text, choose the font, adjust the size, alignment, spacing, and color until you're happy with how it looks. Next is My Library, where all of your uploaded designs are stored. If you've previously uploaded logos or artwork, you can quickly reuse them from here instead of uploading them again. You'll also notice the Graphics section. Here you'll find various icons, illustrations, symbols, and decorative elements that you can drag directly onto your design. These can help make your products more attractive without needing advanced graphic design skills. Below that is My Templates. Templates allow you to save frequently used designs so you can apply them to multiple products without recreating everything from scratch. Printify also includes Shutterstock integration. This gives you access to a large collection of premium stock images that you can purchase and use within your product designs if needed. You'll even notice a Fiverr option. If you don't feel comfortable creating designs yourself, you can use Fiverr to hire professional designers who can create custom artwork specifically for your products. This is a great feature if you don't want to design it yourself and want to hire a professional designer. Now let's upload our own design. But I want to upload my design at the backside of the t-shirt. So I'll just select backside from here, and then I will click on the upload section. Now, choose your image from your computer and wait a few seconds while it uploads. Once it appears inside your library, simply click on it to place it onto your t-shirt. You'll now see your design inside the printable area. Click and drag it to reposition it exactly where you'd like it to appear. You can also resize it using the corner handles until you're satisfied with its placement. Be careful not to place important parts of your design outside the printable area, as anything outside those boundaries won't be printed on the final product. Once your design looks good, click on the preview button located at the top. This allows you to see how customers will view your finished product from different angles. Review the mock-up carefully to make sure everything looks clean and properly aligned. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, simply switch back to edit, make the necessary changes, and preview it again. After you're completely satisfied with the design, click Save Product. Printify will now save your customized product and prepare it for publishing. Now that we've created our first product and saved the design, the next step is publishing it so customers can actually purchase it. After saving the product, Printify will ask you to order a sample or connect an online store if you haven't already done so. Simply click on Connect Store. Printify supports many popular e-commerce platforms including Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, TikTok Shop, eBay, and several others. Select the platform you want to use, then follow the connection process by signing into your store and granting Printify permission to access it. Once the connection is complete, your store will appear inside your Printify account. Now, return to the product you just created. Before publishing, you'll have the opportunity to review the product title, description, pricing, mockups, and variants. Feel free to customize the product title and description to better match your brand. After setting your selling price, click Publish. Within a few moments, your product will be sent to your connected store and become available for customers to purchase. Now let's continue exploring the rest of Printify. On the left side, click on Catalog. The catalog is where you'll discover all of the products available through Printify. At the top, you'll find categories like clothing, home and living, accessories, drinkware, kids and babies, and many more. Whenever you want to expand your product lineup, this is where you'll browse and select new products to customize. You can search for specific products or simply explore different categories until you find something that fits your niche. Now let's take a look at the Trends section. This feature helps you discover products and niches that are currently popular in the print-on-demand market. Here, Printify highlights trending categories, seasonal products, and popular design ideas, giving you inspiration for your next product. It's a great place to explore if you're unsure what to sell or want to stay updated with current market trends. Next, click on My Products. This section contains every product you've created. Since we just created our first design, it will appear here after saving and publishing. From this page, you can edit existing products, duplicate them to create similar listings, publish additional products, or remove products you no longer want to sell. Now, let's move to orders. Whenever a customer purchases one of your products, the order will appear here automatically. You'll be able to monitor every stage of the fulfillment process, including when the order is received, sent into production, shipped, and delivered. At the top, you'll also notice options for creating an order. You can create manual orders. This is useful if you want to order products for yourself, send gifts to customers, or purchase samples before selling them publicly. You'll also find filters that allow you to organize orders by status, such as on hold, in production, ready to ship, and on the way. At the top of the orders page, you'll notice a CSV import or export option. This feature is especially useful if you manage large numbers of orders and want to import or export order data for reporting or record-keeping purposes. Now, let's take a look on Wallet section. Click on Wallet from left sidebar. Inside the Wallet section, you'll see several important categories including payments, invoices, taxes, and Rewards Center. The Payments section shows your payment methods and lets you manage how Printify charges you for product fulfillment. The Invoices section stores invoices for your previous orders, making it easy to download them whenever you need them for bookkeeping or accounting. The Taxes section helps you manage your tax information and comply with your country's tax requirements. Depending on your location, Printify may ask you to provide certain tax details before processing orders. You'll also find the Rewards Center, where Printify occasionally offers promotions, incentives, or rewards that can help you save money as you continue using the platform. Now, let's learn about Insights. Click on Insights. The Insights page provides valuable information about your store's performance. As your business begins generating sales, you'll see reports showing important statistics such as sales performance, product trends, and other useful business metrics. Since this is a brand new account, the page will likely be empty, but once customers start placing orders, you'll be able to use these reports to understand what's selling best and make better business decisions. Let's move to Store Settings. Click on Store Settings from the left-hand menu. This section allows you to customize how your Printify store operates. The first tab is Store Name. Here, you can rename your store at any time by simply typing a new name into the Store Name field. Below that, depending on your region, you may also see product safety or compliance options, such as choosing whether you'll be selling within the European Union. Next, switch to the Ship from Address tab. This is where you can add or update your business address. After filling in all the required fields, click Save to update your shipping information. Now open the Order Settings tab. Here you can customize how Printify handles incoming orders. You can enable or disable automatic order approval, choose how tracking notifications are sent to customers, and configure other fulfillment preferences. Next, click on Publishing Preferences. These settings control how your products are published to your connected store. Here you can decide whether Printify should automatically update product descriptions, prices, images, and other listing details whenever changes are made. You may also notice additional tabs such as Printify Connect, Shipping Calculator, Branding, and Gift Messages, depending on your connected store and account type. These allow you to access additional fulfillment features, customize your branding experience, and include personalized gift messages for customers when supported by your chosen print provider. Now let's click on Branding from the left sidebar. The Branding section allows you to create a more professional experience for your customers. Here you'll find options such as packing inserts and custom neck labels for supported products. Packing inserts let you include branded thank you cards or promotional messages inside your customers' packages. You'll also see custom neck labels for compatible apparel products. These replace the manufacturer's label with your own custom branding, helping your clothing line look more professional and unique. Next, let's briefly look at the Sellers Club. This is Printify's rewards program where you can earn points by completing different activities on the platform. As you collect more points, you can unlock rewards, exclusive perks, and additional benefits that help you grow your print-on-demand business. Right below that, you'll find Printify Premium. This is Printify's paid subscription plan that offers lower product prices from many print providers. If you're planning to sell products regularly or process a high number of orders, upgrading to Premium can help increase your profit margins by reducing your production costs. Now, let's explore the Settings section. Scroll down to the Account section and click on Settings. Here you can configure your overall Printify account preferences. At the top, you'll be able to choose your preferred measurement system. Further down, you'll find email notifications. You can decide whether you'd like to receive product announcements, platform updates, and tutorial emails from Printify. You'll also see invoice frequency and format settings. Here, you can choose whether Printify should generate invoices for every individual order or combine multiple orders into monthly invoices. Finally, don't forget to explore the Resources section near the bottom of the sidebar. Here, you'll find Printify's Help Center, guides, tutorials, blog articles, and educational resources that can help you learn advanced features, improve your product listings, and grow your print-on-demand business. That brings us to the end of this Printify tutorial for beginners. With these basics covered, you're now ready to start creating products and building your own print-on-demand business using Printify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.